Welcome to our channel, My Fun Activities. Since most of the countries have coronavirus, getting a mask is so difficult. So, I'm going to teach you how to make a mask in a big handkerchief. Let's start. The things you need is a handkerchief and 2 rubber bands. You should fold like this. Now put the 2 rubber bands in the sides. Oops. And if you want, you can straighten it. Now you put one side like this and pull the rubber band. Then the second side you take it and put it in the pocket here. It's a little hard, but you should try doing it. Now you can straighten it and you're done. Let me put it and show you. So I hope you all like it. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like.